How to fix corrupted game files on Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix corrupted game file on Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your File Explorer and head over to your local disk. On your local disk, head over to Program Files and this one right here. And there you'll need to find Steam. So search for the Steam folder and open that up. After you open that up, there you'll find another folder called Steam Apps. Open that up as well. Now here you will see an option called Downloading. Simply rename this to something else. So I'll just name it Old Downloading and hit Enter. After you've done that, you're basically good to go. But if that does not fix your issue, open up your Steam, head over to Settings. Now, to head over to Settings, tap on Steam on the top left, tap on Settings, and on your settings, here you'll find Downloads option. Tap on Downloads and there you'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Confirm. And doing that, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.